Have you been looking for a recipe to cook them wild birds? Well, look no further, because this one is about to please your taste buds. Hi everyone, my name is Adrian, welcome to Wild Bush and Grit. Today we are cooking goose. I came across this recipe when I was in Indonesia, and at the end of the meal I had to know what it was. And the key element here was the bird was brined prior to cooking. So the base of the brine is spices, and you need lots of spice to have those complex flavor in your dish. The complete list is in the description if you want to know exactly what I use, but essentially go with your feeling and use what you like. What you'll do is you'll dissolve the salt and the sugar in water, and you add all those spices in the water, about 12 cups of water here. You bring it to a boil for about 10 to 15 minutes and you let it cool down completely. When your brine is completely cool, put your birds in a big pot and cover it with the brine, and add all the spices that are left at the bottom of your pot as well. The important part here is the bird needs to be completely submerged in the brine, otherwise it won't work. No, that's not gonna work. You're getting creative here. Come on. Don't get distracted here. You have a task at hand, bro. Nope, you already tried that. Didn't work first time, remember? Oh, now you're onto something. And voila. Now let the bird in the brine for about 24 hours, and 24 hours later, no, we're not ready to cook it. You have to let it dry for another 24 hours. So we will drain all the fluids from the bird. We will put it in a different pan and let it dry in the refrigerator for about 24 hours. Don't cover it. We want it to actually dry out a bit. Two days later, now we are ready to cook it. Make sure you drain all the remaining fluids and put it in the pot that is big enough to hold the birds. Preheat your oven at 300 Fahrenheit and let the bird sit for about an hour in the oven. 1 hour later, this is how it looks. It was covered, I forgot to mention that, so you need to cook it covered for that hour. We're going to cook it for another hour at the same temperature, but this time we're going to remove the lids off. And this is what you get. A nice, crispy skin. Delicious. Absolutely delicious. All the hard work is done. The only thing you have to do now is sit down and enjoy your birds. You can serve it over mashed potatoes, rice, couscous. It's up to you. Alright folks, I hope you enjoyed this one. Let me know in the comment if you tried this recipe. I want to hear from you folks. And what is your favorite go-to recipe for cooking wild birds? Let me know, I might try it next time.